The trail bike world is once again shaken up with the arrival of the latest generation from Honda. After much speculation since June, American Honda has now officially introduced the CRF300F, a new trail bike that will replace the CRF250F as the flagship model in its class. Honda already has an unrivaled reputation when it comes to off-road motorcycles. Their philosophy is clear: to create motorcycles that are fun to ride, easy to handle, and highly durable, suitable for everyone from beginners to experienced riders. And now, with the CRF300F, Honda is introducing the most advanced variant of the CRF-F lineup they have ever created. Its new heart is a 294 cubic centimeters, SOHC 4-valve, air-cooled engine. The base still carries the DNA of the CRF250F, but the cylinder diameter is 77 millimeters larger than before. The compression ratio has indeed decreased slightly, but Honda has added a new touch in the form of an oil cooler to maintain consistent performance in tough terrain. Combined with the key and injection system and electric starter, this motorcycle is even more practical without losing the tough character typical of the CRF. Performance has also improved. Although Honda has not released official figures, the claim is clear. The CRF300F has more power and a more flexible 6-speed transmission than the 250. The clutch is now more heat-resistant, and the new diameter exhaust helps the engine breathe more freely. Not only that, this bike is legal to use in all 50 states of America, complete with a green sticker for California. In terms of the frame, Honda still relies on a tubular steel design, but now with a new engine mount for more precise control. The suspension has also been improved. The 41mm telescopic fork has a 9.5-inch travel that is more durable, while the ProLink rear suspension with a new aluminum linkage makes handling even more stable. The combination of a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel is retained, maintaining its true trail character. Small but important details have also been addressed. The triple clamp is now full aluminum. The front brake hose is smaller for a smoother feel, and there is new bodywork with a revised skid plate. The 35-inch seat is slightly higher than the 250 version, and the dry weight has increased by 8 pounds to 273 pounds, or about 113 kilograms. But this addition is worth the durability and stability it brings. And most surprisingly, the CRF300F is priced exactly the same as its predecessor, at $4,999. This motorcycle will be available at dealerships starting in October 2026, ready to be the new companion for off-road adventure enthusiasts. The Honda CRF300F is not just a successor to the CRF250F, but an evolution designed to take the trail experience to the next level. Thanks for watching.